Welcome to the Wild Game Recipes. Today we're making elk pot roast with vegetables. This recipe takes 30 minutes to prep and 4 hours to cook. Serves 8 to 10 and is advanced difficulty. Ingredients: 4 to 5 pounds elk chuck roast, 2 tablespoons vegetable oil, 2 large onions, 6 carrots, 6 celery stalks, 1.5 pounds small potatoes, 8 ounces mushrooms, 4 cloves garlic, 3 tablespoons flour, 3 cups beef stock, 1 cup red wine, 2 tablespoons tomato paste, 2 bay leaves, 2 sprigs fresh thyme, and salt and pepper to taste. Step 1. Searing. Season roast with salt and pepper. Heat oil in Dutch oven over medium-high heat. Brown roast on all sides, about 12 minutes total. Step 2. Vegetable base. Remove roast and sauté onions, carrots, and celery until lightly browned, about 8 minutes. Step 3. Flour addition. Sprinkle flour over vegetables and cook 2 minutes, stirring constantly. Step 4. Liquid integration. Add stock, wine, tomato paste, bay leaves, and thyme. Return roast to pot. Step 5. Braising. Bring to simmer, cover, and cook in 325 degrees Fahrenheit oven for 2.5 hours. Step 6. Vegetable addition. Add potatoes and mushrooms. Continue cooking 1.5 hours more until meat is fork tender. Step 7. Finishing. Remove bay leaves and thyme stems. Add garlic during final 15 minutes. Adjust seasoning and serve. And that's how you make elk pot roast with vegetables. Get this recipe and 400 more in the Wild Game Recipes app on the App Store. For more recipes, visit thewildgamerecipes.com.